Introducing DRONEQUBE, the unmanned vineyard inspection and protection platform. Effortless automation begins. DRONEQUBE autonomously deploys, ready to execute missions without a pilot. Taking flight seamlessly, it ensures your vineyard's protection around the clock. Capturing vital data with advanced imaging, from color to thermal and multispectral. Every mission is precisely navigated, guaranteeing comprehensive and accurate monitoring. After completing its task, the drone returns home autonomously. It lands safely, preparing for the next mission, ensuring continuous protection. Our AI-powered analysis provides real-time insights into vine health. Customize your monitoring with a marketplace of AI solutions tailored to your needs. Receive instant alerts for detected anomalies, enabling prompt intervention. Access detailed reports for targeted actions, reducing risks and boosting yield. Quickly visualize issues with precise mapping, ensuring rapid resolution. DRONEQUBE, revolutionizing vineyard management with cutting-edge autonomous technology. Contact us to learn more.